Hello, today I'll be covering the two different fire alarm systems you should know about. What the pros and cons are of each system, and how they function. For Salem, Canada, every fire alarm system has to pass the CAN-ULC S527. What every fire alarm system needs is a DCLC. This is for in case of an error, there is another way to send a signal. The first system we'll be talking about is the token ring system. Like the name implies, the token ring system forms a ring-like connection, connecting each system to the next in the chain. When signaling each other, each node waits for the previous node to message it in a link, so only one message is being sent out at a time, and at a slower rate of 50,000 bits per second. Similar to a delivery truck transporting a package to the next in an endless loop. In this metaphor, a truck delivers a package to another truck, which delivers it to another. Though when a problem occurs, such as a hole in the road, or dropping the metaphor, a fault in the wiring, or connection failure, the signal or delivery truck has the ability to retrace its steps and begin a loop counter to the previous one, while the truck that was supposed to receive the delivery waits for the package to reach it. When a break in connection occurs in two places, however, the token ring system will create two smaller systems until the problem is fixed. This is one of the greatest strengths of the token ring system. The second system I'll be talking about is the TCP/IP system. The acronym TCP/IP stands for Transmission Command Protocol/Internet Protocol. The TCP/IP system, unlike the token ring system, does not wait on others to send a signal, but sends them out randomly to each side at a much faster rate. Think of the TCP/IP system as a highway sending 2 million bits per second. While the TCP/IP system may send out messages at a much faster pace than the token ring system, the system is susceptible to the signals intercepting each other. This will result in a crash of signals causing a delay. To help solve this problem, the TCP/IP system uses the CSMA-CD. A carrier sends multiple access with collision detection to help with these issues. Unlike the token ring system, the TCP/IP system, when experiencing a connection failure or hole in the road, has a secondary line that is only in use during a connection issue. This sends the signal through a secondary path to make up for the error. And thus concludes this video on the token system as well as the TCP/IP system.